As we navigate this global pandemic,
the Preston Automotive Group will continue to take all the recommended steps to keep their associates and customers safe.
we are cleaning all the touch points of the dealerships, wiping down all workstations before and after customer interactions.
On the service side, we're taking all precautions to prevent the spread, wiping down the service writer stations, and all vehicles are getting wiped down and fogged to kill germs and viruses before service.
Our service departments are open and we can pick up and deliver your vehicle for any service appointment.
All Preston Automotive Group locations are fogged after hours to kill germs and viruses.
Our showrooms are open by appointment if you need a new or pre-owned vehicle. Remember, there is 0% financing for up to 84 months, along with no payments for up to 6 months. You can shop online and we can deliver the vehicle right to you.
Everyone can do their part by practicing social distancing and remembering to wash your hands.
We need each other through these difficult times, so you can call us.
Or you can shop online at PrestonMotor.com.
Let's all work together so we can all stay safe.